So we in one of the world's largest hood, Dharavi, in Mumbai. So you're over here, you got like houses everywhere. I think it's like a bathroom, bro. Look at the bathroom. There's like a hole in the ground. Damn, yo, it's mad dark over here. It's like a maze, bro. These stairs are mad steep, bro. Yeah, yeah, factory hai? Yo, so they didn't want me to go upstairs, man. Oh, bag. Homeboy said they make around 500 bags every day.
Smoking?
No, no smoking. No smoking. Thank you. He tried to sell me some THC. Yeah, look at all these wires, man. It's kind of dangerous, man. One of these wires spark, catch a fire, forget about it. Half this place gone. I don't even think a fire truck could get in here. It's crazy. Look at this alleyway, man. It's just tight. Imagine the mailman. How does he find his way around? I'm pretty sure I can't get back to where I came in from. Hey, yo, what's good? It's your boy Dice. We here in one of the world's largest slum. I don't really like to call it slum. Let's call it the hood. So we in one of the world's largest hood, Dharavi, in Mumbai. Yo, this place houses up to like, I don't know, maybe around almost 1 million people, man. So you're over here, you got like houses everywhere. You got houses on top, houses down here. A lot of these houses, they have like little factories of like leather, some garments, all kinds of stuff, man. So yeah, man, let's walk around, see what we can find, man. All right, let's get into the video. Check this place out, man. You got all these buildings. It's mad outdated, man. Yo, this place, it has like 69% literacy rate, you know? So a lot of people here, man, they can speak English, they go to school, they understand, man. But they're just in bad situations. I think it's like a bathroom, bro. Look at the bathroom. Man, look at the bathroom, bro. There's like a hole in the ground. Damn. They got no toilet seat. I'm gonna send some fish. Machi.
मच्छी
ये कौन सा मच्छी है?
बोम्बिल
बोम्बिल.
हाँ
और ये
सुरमई
सुरमई.
हाँ
This one?
ये रावस
रावत और पॉम्फ्रेट.
हाँ पॉपरेट
वो एक ही मालूम है मुझे.
हाँ
Thank you. I got like these little fish vendors. They got another guy over here. He's cleaning out the shrimp. Oh, looks like you got a temple over there. Temple, huh? You're living here? Yes. You're living here? Yes. Ah, okay. How long you born here?
Yes, Mumbai.
You can tell us something about here? How many people living here?
12 lakhs.
Wow, it's a lot of people, man.
Very good.
God. So you guys go to, you're working or you going to college?
Yes.
College?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Thank you. We got like a lot of recycling places. Namaste, sir. There's some sugarcane. Sugarcane. Oh, okay. Oh, ये क्या? आप जूस बेचते हो? जूस? हाँ. बहुत लोग आते हैं इधर? हाँ. कितने लोग रहते हैं इधर इसके अंदर? बहुत लोग हैं. ठीक है, थैंक यू. जी भी, मैं इधर चल सकता हूँ? इधर जगह है जाने के लिए? Man, look how tight this is, man. Like mad tight. Damn, yo, it's mad dark over here. Wow, so they got like houses all up in here. They got like a tailor. Hey, it's like a maze, bro. मैं इधर जा सकता हूँ? इधर क्या घर है इधर? घर है. हेलो सर, ये आपका क्या काम चल रहा है इधर? लेदर है? तो ये आपका फैक्ट्री है? थैंक यू. क्या ये आप आपके लिए पका रहे हो या बेचने के लिए? तो आप क्या बनाते हो इधर? क्या बनाते हैं आप? क्या बना रहे हैं?
रोटी बना रहे हैं, रोटी।
रोटी? फिर आप रोटी बना के भेजेंगे? तो आप कितने रोटी बनाते हैं हर रोज? कितना आता है उसमें? हाँ?
50 तक आएगा।
Ah, okay, okay. Thank you. They make like bread and they sell it. Look, my man over here is taking a shower. Hey, जाऊँ यहाँ से? Sorry यार. Sorry भाई.
कहाँ जाओ?
ऐसे ही घूमने जा रहा हूँ. ऐसे देखना है अंदर.
जाओ।
ऊपर क्या है? किसी का घर है क्या ऊपर?
हाँ घर है।
हाँ, तो यहाँ से कैसे निकलूँ? Right?
हाँ रेड निकल तो वापस आना पड़ेगा। बाहर नहीं निकलेगा।
हाँ ठीक है. तो ये क्या है? आप इस्त्री मारते हो?
नहीं।
ये आपका सामान है?
सामान।
Oh, okay. Hello, sir. What is this? Like factory? Factory?
कारखाना।
कौन सा? कौन सा कारखाना है? हाँ?
ऊपर तक नीचे।
मैं जा सकता हूँ? मैं देख सकता हूँ ऊपर?
हाँ।
हाँ?
कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
कोई बात? Thank you.
बात करो क्या किस लिए है?
YouTube.
मतलब फेमस होने के लिए।
हाँ?
फेमस होने के लिए।
हाँ.
मतलब कुछ करके मतलब पैसा आएगा।
हाँ. नहीं पैसे ऐसे दिखाने के लिए लोगों को.
देखा ना तो कुछ तो पैसा आएगा ना इसमें तो।
अभी तो शुरू किया है मैंने. अभी तो पैसे नहीं है लेकिन अगर
अभी चालू हो रहा है।
हाँ अभी चालू किया मैंने.
अच्छा ठीक है।
ठीक है तो ऊपर जाओ.
हाँ हाँ जाओ।
कोई है क्या ऊपर? Yo, these stairs are mad steep, bro. Oh, hello, sir. ये क्या फैक्ट्री है? फैक्ट्री?
कारखाना है।
कारखाना. मैं देख सकता हूँ? हाँ एक वीडियो निकाल सकता हूँ?
नहीं।
हाँ? नहीं?
अलाउ नहीं।
अलाउड नहीं है. तो ऊपर क्या है? वो ऊपर जा सकता हूँ ऊपर? हाँ? नहीं? Okay, thank you. Yo, so they didn't want me to go upstairs, man. Hello. This is a factory? Factory. आप क्या बनाते हो इधर? Bags. Ah, wow. बहुत अच्छा. Oh, yeah. Wow, so they're making bags in there. So yo, as you go in these little lanes, yo, in these houses, they set up like factories, you know? And they got like all kinds of factories here. क्या है भाई? आप क्या कर रहे हैं? क्या बना रहे हैं आप? हाँ? ओ बैग. ओ तो ये बैग बनाते हो आप? हाँ तो दिन में कितना बैग बनाते हो आप? कितना बैग बनाते हो दिन में? 500. Wow. Yo, so they make like bags here. Homeboy said they make around 500 bags every day. As you can see, man, it's like really busy over here. They got shops, people living here, people going to work, coming from work, kids going to school. It's an everyday life for the people living here in Dharavi.
Hi friend.
Hey, how are you, man?
Where are you from?
Hey, how are you? How are you?
Where are you from?
USA. Yeah, you're from Dharavi?
Yes.
Ah, everybody living here, huh?
Yes.
How many years? How many years? कितना साल इधर?
सुनो हिंदी?
थोड़ा 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 थोड़ा.
ओके.
कितना साल इधर?
बचपन.
बचपन से, हाँ? हाँ. कितने लोग रहते होंगे इधर?
बहुत सारे जने.
बहुत सारे.
10 लाख की आबादी गिनती में अनगिनत कितने होंगे मालूम नहीं.
हाँ ठीक है. तो इधर से रास्ता है जाने के लिए?
जाने के लिए है ना रास्ता.
हाँ?
नहीं.
Smoking?
No smoking. No smoking. Thank you. Yo, one of the dudes over there, he tried to sell me some THC. Crazy. Yo, it's mad dark. Oh man. Oh, they got more factories here. Wow, man. Hidden inside all these places. You got so many factories, bro. So many bag factories, leather factories, kind of garments. I seen a place they were recycling some stuff. Yo. Yo, people friendly as hell, man. Yo, I'm gonna tell you something, man. You know, before I came here, a few people were like, yo, take somebody with you. Don't go alone. It's dangerous. Yada, yada, yada. Same thing we hear all the time, man. But yo, ain't no danger. Everybody's cool as hell. Oh, he does. What is this? Pan? Ah, pan. Very nice.
Natural pan. Use the very good.
Very good, huh?
Yeah.
Well, what is it? Which one? This one?
This one, Calcutta banana tree.
And this? This is all
Katta.
they put inside.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Like I was saying, man, you see for yourself. You know, there ain't no danger. Everybody's mad nice, mad friendly, man. You know, everybody's chilling. I think Dharavi got love for dice. You know what I'm saying? Oh, look, my man up there in the ladder. Yeah, up there in the ladder. Be careful, my man. Damn, look at that ladder. Wow, you got all these houses over here. They're like right next to each other. Look at all these electrical wires, man. One of these wires spark, catch a fire, forget about it. Half this place gone. I don't even think a fire truck could get in here. Oh, machi. Fish, machi, yeah. Ah, ये मच्छी का नाम क्या है? रोहू। ऐसा एक बड़ा मच्छी कितने का आता है?
बड़ा मच्छी नहीं,
हाँ?
बड़ा मच्छी नहीं लाता।
नहीं, ये वाला कितने का है?
200 का है।
200. Thank you. Yo, so that big fish was like 200 rupees. I think that's like about like $2.50. No. I'm wrong. Hold on. Yeah, like $2, man. Around there, $2.50. Yeah, look at all these wires, man. It's kind of dangerous, man. So this place here, man, a lot of these houses, they don't have like bathrooms and stuff, you know? I guess they have like a few common bathrooms where everybody got to share, you know? Man. Damn, bro. It's crazy. Look at this alleyway, man. It's just tight. Imagine the mailman. How does he find his way around? भाई ये पानी किधर से आता है?
BMC से।
BMC तो ये पानी साफ है?
हाँ।
उससे नहा सकते हो?
हाँ।
पका सकते हो? Hi.
Hi. Bon hi.
So that water what the kid was playing with, it comes from like the I don't know, from the government. They provide the water for the people, and it's like clean water, you know? You can take a shower with it. You can cook with it. I'm not really sure about drinking with it, you know? Yo, this place is so huge. I'm pretty sure I can't get back to where I came in from. What are you making? Belt? Belt? Ah, they make belts over here. See there, they got all these belts. They got the belt machine. Yo, this place is huge, man. The whole purpose of me coming here was to show you guys, you know, how different people in the world, how they live, you know? Yo, man, we take so much things for granted. You know, we complain about so many things in life, man. Me, personally, I'm guilty of that, man. You know, but the more I travel, the more places I go, I see people in these situations. And, yo, honestly, man, I'm so grateful for whatever I have, man, you know? And maybe you guys should, whoever watches this video, hopefully you guys learn from this, man, you know? A lot of you have it a lot better than some of these people, man. You know, day in, day out, living here, growing up, you know, working, doing whatever they gotta do. Yo, it's hard, man, you know? It's not easy. But still, a lot of people still manage to have a smile on their face, be happy, you know? I hope this makes you realize that some of you have it really good in life, man. Appreciate what you have, you know? But yeah, man, yo, I hope you like this video, man. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, show your boy some love, man. You know what I'm saying? A lot of you guys, man, you watching my videos, but y'all ain't hitting that subscribe button, man. Hit the button, bro. Hit the button. You know what I'm saying? You want to see more content from Dice? Yo, hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Yo, I thank you for everybody who subscribed, who watched my video so far, who showed me love in the comment. Yo, I appreciate each and every one of you, man. Trust me, man. I truly appreciate you guys, man. All right? Yo, until the next video. All right, we out.